I don't know where exactly they're from the team.
I haven't gotten a.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had the leg shakes in that.
Did you?
That was the last race, I think. Yeah. It's me and
Last
Finn
time I got the
trying
like
to qualify.
actually he's streaming so
Yes, he's fucking gone up.
one alive.
Disgusting. It's actually a good shot.
Is there a left back that actually?
How much are 85s?
Like dirt,
Have a look on full bin for you.
They're minimum.
Are they actually?
Are they mid?
Well, they were yesterday when I was fucking. I was buying 87 for 3k.
There's always 2 LMP2s dying on that outside. Everyone. Great start.
Tim Howard, who is a hero, 20k.
Fuck's sake. Yeah, but
Cristiano Ronaldo is 3k.
well, that's it. I'm out.
Let's see you hitting the wall and the damage you had.
Man, I'm so lucky not to hit anyone.
Yeah.
Oh, well, there's one. What? Suboptimal, really. I messed up. Oh, here we go. There's going to be something happening here. Oh. Don't hit me! Ow! We survived.
I've done the pictures for you.
He's in. Alright, maybe not. I was a leader. Maybe I'll send it to the second hairpin. See what he does. Oh, he spins. Unlucky. Something like that. Well, we've got enough for one more lap. I'm going to go as late as possible here. I might change when they pull off before me.
Yeah, they have a. Yeah.
There's one.
Bye.
Oh man, I wanted to make a move. Ah, fuck's sake, man. Oh, mate, that GTP ruined that for me.
Oh, good. Just made the move next lap. It's fine.
Mate, you're parking the bus, mate. Come on, we need to move. Where's P2? They're 6 seconds up the road. This guy's parking the bus, mate. We can still do it. The difference, mentality, innit? Like, just settling for P3 and not wanting to push for P2. Different mentality. Oh, I didn't brake enough there, bollocks. Come on, push me, that's it, come on. That's it, well in. I've got enough fuel,